here, I just signed up right now, guys, on this platform called Mara, and as you can see here now, my pending, my available balance, my balance on this Mara is actually $3. Yeah, that's around 1,500 naira in Nigeria. So if you want to actually learn how to actually make this amount of money, just stick with me in this video and don't go anywhere. You are watching the video now, and right now, in my videos, I do make videos about making money online and updates about how to actually make money online. Stay tuned with this video and let's get on how to actually do this and make money for yourself. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is actually Dominion Audu here again, and right now in this video, I want to actually show you guys how you can actually make money online using Mara wallets. Yes, guys. So Mara wallet is actually a new wallet which actually came into the Nigerian market not that long, and as you can see here, they have over 100,000 downloads on Play Store. So right now I want to actually show you guys how you can actually make money on Mara wallet to be precise. So if I open the Mara wallet application right now, right here, as you can see here, I have a $3 on my account. So I have a wallet balance of $300. As you can see, I just registered right now, not that long, as you can see here. And as you can see, I just referred one person. I referred myself literally, and I got $1 to myself. So I just tried it out and see if it actually works, and it works out. It works out perfectly fine. All right. So right now I want to show you guys how you can actually make. Right now, to make money on Mara. Yes, guys, to make money on Mara, you literally need just to refer friends, because it's actually I don't know, so someone has actually deposited, sorry, withdrawn from Mara wallet um from one of our groups, which that was actually what made me make a video about it or even sign up on it, because I didn't literally sign up. I have so many businesses I do, so I didn't sign up. Or just to show you guys, I have to show you guys proofs and everything. So I did, that's why I literally signed up right now to show you guys and show you guys that this is actually working. Yes, guys. So first of all, you need to know that Mara is just it will be officially launched within, I don't know, very soon, as they say. As you can see here, it says what is pending balance in your Mara wallet. Pending balance is the total rewards in crypto that will be unlocked once the official Mara wallet launches. So it's not actually launched yet, but they are still paying. Yes, guys, they are still paying. Yes, so as you can see here, it says unlocked once the official Mara wallet launches. So it's actually on pre-sale, or no, pre-launched. It's pre-launched right now, so it's not literally launched. It's actually pre-launched. So yes, guys, and as you can see here, it says when you earn rewards, the value of those rewards gets stored in your pending balance that becomes available to you as you achieve a certain milestone. I think the certain milestone is actually 20 referrals. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's around $20 or so. Yeah, guys. So I think if I'm not mistaken. So let's go to Google right now and search for what is the minimum referrals you need to have before you can withdraw from our wallet. So if I am actually mistaken, minimum referrals to withdraw from my wallet. All right, so I don't know if any blogger is actually blocked out, but I think I saw something like that, which is actually 20 referrals. So if you calculate 20 referrals, go to your calculator right now, calculate 20 referrals times 20 referrals multiplied by 5. I think 500 naira. Yeah, that's around 10,000 naira. I think something like that, something of that nature. If it's not 20 referrals, then it should be 50 referrals, something like that, guys. But it's actually literally paying for now. It's literally paying for now. So guys, try to actually, you know, 200 referrals. Okay, I think. I don't know, guys. It's not 200 referrals. I'm just kidding, guys. I think either 50. Oh, yeah. I think it's 50 referrals. So, guys, just try it out and start making money for yourself. And don't forget that Dominion actually love you all. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to actually get more details or more real businesses for you to actually do to make money online as a, you know, maybe youth, a Nigerian person, or anywhere you are in this whole world. Please just subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so you wouldn't miss any other further money making video I would actually drop on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.